guys, welcome to my channel. Are you ready to learn with Aarnav? Today, let's solve the first layer. So this is how it will look. So first, let's get this scrambled. Okay, now I got it scrambled. So first, let's get the white cross solved. Okay, now I got this white cross solved. So now let's start solving the first layer. So now you must put the white cross side down like this. So now after you put the white cross down like this, you must just see on the top layer a corner has a white color on it. If there are no white colors, then I'll tell you an algorithm which might be here, the white things, and then I'll tell you an algorithm. So now back to this color. So after you find the white color here, you must just see the neighboring colors. So like for me it's orange and blue. So now you must see the orange and blue centers. So like this. So now just take this. So with the U and U prime's help, just move it in the center. Just like this. So now you must just see if it's on the right side, on the front side, or is it on the top side. After you notice that, you must just see if your color has it is in the right side, because I'm going to tell the right side algorithm now. If not, I'll tell you the other algorithms just after this step. So now if you have it on your right side, just do R, U and R prime. And yeah, so now you have just solved one corner here like this. So this belongs here and this belongs here. So now just repeat the process. So just see if there are any other whites like this one, then match it with the centers like this. And now because it's on my R, so it's on my top side, you must do this algorithm. R, U2, R prime, U prime, R, U and R prime. And now you also solve this corner like this. And now just solve the rest of the corners. If there are no corners, now I'll tell you the algorithm. Just put it on your right side. So like this. If it's on this side or this side, it doesn't matter. Just do this algorithm. So R, U and R prime. If you notice this, it was the right side algorithm. R, U and R prime. So now after you've done that, now just repeat the process. Like just put it like this. So match it. Yeah. And then because it's on my right side, I'll do R U R prime, and now it's solved again. And now to do the last step, last corner, just put it up like this, and then match it, and then put, because it's on my right side, just put this algorithm again, R U and R prime, and there you go, you have this side solved, the first layer solved. I didn't mention this algorithm when it's on your friend's side, like if this was a white color, then if it's on your friend's side, then you must do this algorithm. So U R U prime R prime, so like this. So U R U prime R prime. Now as you can see, this is again here. I'll just fix it like this, and yeah, now you have your first layer solved. If you are new to this channel and or haven't watched my previous step 1 video, which is the solving the white cross, please watch it, and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel to support me. Bye for now. See you. Cheers. Thank you for watching.